Are doing great. So today we're going to discuss about the new margin rule which SEBI imposed, especially in option selling. And as we know, and one can make a good, consistent money. Now, first of all, we're going to see the fund. This is my fourth angel booking account. I have basically I have four account, two in Zerodha and two in angel booking. Sorry, one in Zerodha and three in angel booking. So now here I added 2 lakh as a fund. Now let's understand how much margin we are giving for selling the Nifty lot and the Bank Nifty lot too, but with the hedge, okay? Because you can't sell directly. So if I want to sell, first we're gonna sell the Nifty, then we're gonna sell the Bank Nifty. So पहले हम so now it is running at, we're gonna sell at 25. Now 25 Bank Nifty per lot, and I'm taking a intraday, okay? Intraday, not कैरी फॉरवर्ड. सो इंट्राडे में मार्क टू मार्क अगर हम करते हैं, सो इट इज टेकिंग समथिंग अराउंड, लेट मी सेल, और इफ यू हैव लेस मार्जिन यू कैन बाय फर्स्ट देन यू कैन सेल इट. Premium of Nifty, one lot only. I'm taking only one lot, okay? And same intraday, and submit and confirm. Both the order got executed, and even I can tell you one thing: you can directly sell the basket order with the help of Sensible. यहाँ पर Sensible में you can build your strategy like buy and sell. Then you can directly trigger both the strike price at the same time. So here we sold 25 rupees put option, and then I bought 7 rupees put option to hedge the particular margin. Now we can see the fund. Let's go to the fund. How much fund we used? So we used only 25K. Okay, हमने 25,000 रुपये सेल करने के करे for the one strike price. Now what we gonna do? We're gonna sell now call option because we are doing hedge. Now we are making iron condor. Now for the iron condor, again I am selling 25 rupees. All right, we sold a complete iron condor strategy. Now, when we see the fund, we use 43K to initiate the Nifty iron condor strategy. Okay. Now, if you use this strategy mainly on expiry day, right, and expiry day में आपको और भी कम लाइक मार्जिन लगता है, बिकॉज आपके जो स्ट्राइक प्राइसेस रहते हैं वो थोड़े नियर बाय के रहते हैं, ठीक है. नाउ एक्सपायरी डे में जब ये जीरो हो जाते हैं, यूजुअली आप ओवर, इवन इफ यू कैन टेक इट एज अ ओवरनाइट ऑल्सो. आई कैन कन्वर्ट इट ओवरनाइट भी देख लेते हैं कितना प्रॉफिट आता है, बिकॉज ओवरनाइट डिके इज ऑल्सो देयर, राइट. सो नाउ आई कन्वर्टेड. नाउ लेट्स सी. कल के लिए भी होल्ड कर सकता हूँ बिकॉज इट विल गो जीरो टेक्निकली एंड आई गेट द प्रॉफिट. एंड लेट्स सी द यूज्ड फंड. ओवरनाइट इट यूज ओनली 53K. मतलब 53K इट्स योर मैक्सिमम मार्जिन यूज इन दिस आयरन कॉन्डोर strategy. All right, now let's sell the Bank Nifty lot. Same iron condor strategy, you'll get the point. So Bank Nifty, we entered in iron condor. Now, okay, I think now it's triggered. Done. So bank nifty is not triggered. So this is a bank nifty position, right? Now this is a bank nifty iron condor position. You hold this position and it will go zero, you will get the profit. This is how it works, right? Now how much fund we use here? Now see, understand, bank nifty is cheaper. We use 37k for selling the iron condor, which means to selling a one lot you needed 21k for the bank nifty if you are taking as a spread. Now understand, this is a intraday. So intraday, when it get almost decay, you'll see the profit, right? You'll get the profit. Now basically you can do it on the expiry day mainly, because expiry day is a very good theta decay day, so where you'll get a very good decay. Now technically, if you take overnight is a wonderful thing. If someone can take overnight position, then it is wonderful, because overnight decay is a massive decay you can get within once in the morning. Okay, now this is okay. Now let's try to convert the overnight, and let's see how much fund we needed for the overnight. Okay, now let's convert it. Alright guys, so now I converted all my position carry forward, so I can take these position overnight. So I'll get a overnight decay. As you know, overnight decay is a massive decay. You'll easily get a good theta decay, right? Now overnight decay you'll get, but how much fund we need for the overnight position? Now fund one lot. Let's see the fund. So we need 42k, cheaper than the Nifty, right? Now overnight is the best thing you can do, because overnight decay जब आता है तो बहुत massively आता है. You can take as a straddle also, and this is a iron condor strategy of strangle. Okay, the now let's look at the straddle part. How much profit we can get in a straddle? Possible to place a basket order in my angel broking account, because it will become very smooth process, right? So I exited all my position here, if you can see, right? No position basically. So okay, log in this sensible, that's why it's logged out, not an issue. So here we're gonna take a bank nifty straddle. How much capital we needed for the straddle to initiate one straddle at least? So bank nifty we are selling here. Okay, we are selling the put first, right? One lot, and selling call also with one lot, right? Now to hedge this position, we are buying cheaper premium, buy one lot, and here we buy one lot. Now done. So यहाँ पर we initiated the straddle, which is sorry, this is a strategy we initiated, correct? Now what we can do, trade all. So I can place market order. So in a single click, it will get executed automatically. MIS, I'm taking MIS order, okay, intraday, which means, okay, and now place it. Okay, done, completed. All my order got completed. Now let's try to log in. In a very single click, right? It's become very easy to initiate the straddle. Now how much capital we used? So here this is my straddle. Now fund, okay, only 40k, सिर्फ 40k यूज हुआ है, which is very cheap, बहुत सस्ता है. स्ट्रैडल अगर आप एक लॉट भी लेते हो और बहुत अच्छा खासा डीके भी आ जाता है, यू विल गेट अ वेरी डिसेंट अमाउंट ऑफ लाइक आर ओ आई आपका बहुत इजीली बन जाता है। और टू टू लॉट के साथ अगर आप स्ट्रगल करते हो, देन इट इज़ वेरी गुड, एक्सीलेंट परफॉर्मेंस हो सकती है। और इफ़ यू टेक ओवरनाइट, उससे बढ़िया तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता। इफ यू आर टेकिंग स्ट्रगल ओवरनाइट, but overnight has a few condition which we gonna discuss later on, but here overnight decay, obviously जब भी मैं overnight decay लेता हूँ straddles के, it is massive, वो खुलते ही आपको प्रॉफिट देना स्टार्ट कर जाते हैं, ठीक है। now let's convert these position to overnight and look how much capital it carry forward. Now let's see how much fund we use here. Guys, we used only 41k. In overnight, we used only 41k. 40k in intraday and 41k in overnight. That's it. Simple as that.